Hi, you are invited to Annie's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Bánh Xeo. Bánh Xeo is Vietnamese style crepe, cooked with meat and shrimp. Buy a 12-ounce bag of Saigon pancake flour mix from an Oriental market. Mix the pancake flour mix with 8 ounces of coconut milk, 3/4 cups of half and half, and 3/4 cups of soy milk. Add in the package of turmeric that comes with the mix. Add some fresh chopped green onion into the batter. Set the mix aside for 20 minutes. While you clean and peel the shrimp, chop some garlic and slice some tenderloin pork or beef steak. Now add some oil to cover the frying pan. Stir fry and cook the garlic, shrimp, pork, and beef in the pan for about 4 minutes. Next, put the pancake batter mix on top of the cooked shrimp and meats, and immediately roll the frying pan to distribute the mix thinly around the pan. Now is a good time to add some bean sprouts if you like. I prefer not. Place a lid on the pan and let everything simmer. It takes about 3 minutes. Now pick underneath the crepe to see if the batter mix is cooked. Close the lid and let it finish for about 2 more minutes. Then take one of your big spatula and use it to fold the pancake crepe in half. Close the lid and let everything cook for another minute. Use a little baking soda in water to wash your green leaf lettuce, mint, and cilantro. Rinse the salad mix well, and then place the mixed greens on a serving plate. Use your spatula to transfer the cooked crepe from the pan to the plate next to the greens. And there you have Vietnamese crepes, Bánh Xeo. Serve the crepe along with some fish sauce. You will find my recipe for fish sauce nước chấm here on this channel. And that is how we do Bánh Xeo, Vietnamese style crepe. See you again soon.